Free Wendy Williams? Welcome to Access Hollywood from Universal Studios Hollywood. I'm Mario Lopez, and Wendy is battling her court-appointed guardian, claiming she's been misdiagnosed with dementia and no longer wants to live in the assisted living facility she's been residing in since 2023. This week, the former talk show host made a big move to change her living situation, and as she's set to plead her case this Friday on The View, we investigate what's next for Wendy.
Wendy, are you looking forward to The View?
Everyone can't wait to see Wendy Williams calling into The View this week.
That may be happening. I don't know.
Okay.
I don't always look at the schedule.
Okay.
The View co-host Whoopi Goldberg appeared shocked hearing the news Wendy is expected to call into her famed talk show after we asked about the report at the grand opening of Planet Hollywood in Times Square. Wendy's appearance is still being promoted by the show, and it would be a homecoming of sorts. She was last on the show in 2019 when she was also going through turbulent times, including an ugly divorce with her ex-husband. On the show in 2019 when she was also going through turbulent times, including an ugly divorce with her ex-husband Kevin Hunter.
I watch you all every day, so being here is very, very much like home with a bunch of girlfriends, and I appreciate your support. Thank you.
This week, it appeared the 60-year-old may have made progress in her quest for freedom from her court-appointed guardian, Sabrina Morrissey. TMZ cameras captured her after she was removed from her facility to be taken to a local hospital by ambulance following a welfare check by the New York police.
Wendy, how are you feeling today? I know you said that you needed help.
According to the New York Post, Wendy dropped a note out of her window earlier that morning that read, "Help, Wendy." She told the Breakfast Club she begged officers to take her to the hospital where she could be evaluated by medical professionals outside of the facility.
They asked me simple things like, who's the president?
Wendy claims she easily passed 2 tests for mental competency. Trial attorney Misty Marris reveals whether or not these tests could potentially help get her out of the guardianship.
Even though any cognitive test she takes can be evidence ultimately to free her from the guardianship, the diagnosis of dementia is not impacted by that test.
This floor that I live on is the memory unit. The people who live there don't remember anything. Unlike me, why am I here? What is going on? It's a cry for help.
Now, an attorney representing Wendy's guardian is reportedly blasting media coverage of the guardianship, saying some of it is untrue, inaccurate, incomplete, or misleading. While Wendy has referred to her facility as a prison, the attorney tells TMZ Wendy is receiving excellent medical care, where there is a spa, a workout room, excellent food, a dining room, and outside terraces.
Anything that Wendy says in the public sphere can come back into the courtroom. On the flip side, look back to Britney Spears. She rallied the troops, got the public behind her, and that really changed the game for her. She was able to overcome her conservatorship. So Wendy may be taking a page from her playbook.
Stunningly, TMZ is reporting that the judge presiding over Wendy's case is not happy Wendy has been talking to media and is even threatening more restrictions.
If Wendy really appears on The View on Friday, she better sit down with her attorney and talk about exactly what types of topics she can discuss, because anything she said could come back to bite her.
The NYPD and Adult Protective Services are currently investigating the case, so we'll keep on top of it.